Hello all, welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. As promised, every Friday we do a live session. So today the topic of discussion will be hair thinning. So what are the natural remedies you can use to stop this hair thinning basically? Okay, so let's get started. We'll wait for a couple of people to join and then let's start. Okay, hi Neeta. I hope you are doing good. Hi Smita. Yeah, so today I'm going to use this Jamaican castor, which is black in color, castor oil, and the other oil which I'm using is hemp seed oil. Okay, hi Anu, hi Shabita, hi Simi, hi Deepak. Yeah, so let's get started. So what are the reasons basically of hair thinning and what are the natural remedies we can do? I'll just share about it when I'm mixing the ingredients. Okay, so for that even I need essential oils. So when it comes to hair thinning, rosemary is one of the best essential oil. As Am I audible to all? So rosemary basically will help with hair thinning. How minoxidil works, similarly the rosemary essential oil also will work. Okay, so rosemary essential oil, then yang yang essential oil, and lavender essential oil. So these three essential oils are very good when it comes to hair thinning. Okay, so let's get started by mixing these ingredients. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm taking aloe vera gel, a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, okay, and to which I'm going to add hemp seed oil, 2 tablespoons, okay. Now make sure you mix this well. Okay, we'll add in this rosemary essential oil, about 5 drops, lavender essential oil, 5 drops. So hemp seed oil is basically rich in vitamin E, keratin, phytosterols and phospholipids. Okay, so this way it will help, and it is even rich with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid. So what you are going to do is, once you mix this mixture, you're going to just take it on your palm and gently with the help of your fingertips you will massage it all over your hair. Okay, leave it overnight, or you can leave minimum for 45 minutes, and next or after 45 minutes you can wash your hair. If you're keeping it overnight, then next morning you can wash your hair. Okay, so this is one of the easy DIY when it comes to hair thinning. I myself had hair thinning when I was pregnant. So during pregnancy it is very common to have this hair thinning issue, or if you are under any medication, like if you're taking any birth control pills or having any hormonal imbalance, you face this issue of hair thinning. Okay, so try this easy DIY. This is one of the DIY. So the next one is the oil. Okay, so what you can do is take Jamaican castor oil, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I'm just roughly taking 2 tablespoons of Jamaican castor, and in that we will add yang yang essential oil, about 5 drops. Okay, and rosemary essential oil, 5 drops. So this Jamaican castor oil is rich with omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acid. Okay, so it does wonders when it comes to hair thinning and hair breakage as well. Okay, so this acid basically helps to nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair root as well. Therefore it will improve the blood circulation and it will stop the hair thinning ka issue. Okay, so this is just mixing of Jamaican castor oil along with rosemary essential oil and yang yang essential oil. Okay, 5 drops of rosemary and 5 drops of yang yang essential oil with 2 tablespoon of Jamaican castor. Okay, just mix it well. You don't need to warm it or anything, and again you have to gently massage it on the scalp. Leave it overnight or at least for 45 minutes and then shampoo your hair. So these are the two of the easy DIY recipes. So what are the causes, of hair thinning? So as I told, medical conditions can be one of the reason, like if you are pregnant or if you are taking any birth control pills or hormonal changes. But along with that, lifestyle changes also. Okay, so if you are basically into if you use lot of hairsprays, gels on on your hair, or if you use any coloring or perming, that also causes hair thinning issues. So just keep that also into consideration, so you can reduce this all things. Even too much of blow dry in the hair, it can also cause hair thinning. So try this easy recipes, and yeah, leave me your feedback. I'm getting really good feedback when it comes to the DIY thing which we do every Friday. So a lot of people are trying it and they are finding it helpful as well. So do give it a try, and if you have any suggestions or what you want me to do in the next Friday DIY, you're most welcome to share. And we are keeping into all these points into consideration and doing our live sessions. So I hope you enjoyed today's session, and I'll see you next Friday. So people who want to register for tomorrow's workshop, it is on shampoo and conditioner bar, can just DM me. I can tell you about the details of it. And next Saturday we have this candle workshop. So if somebody is interested in that too, I'll be happy to guide on how to enroll. Yeah, so by the time, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye. Thank you. Bye.